Hey guys, it's Nicole, your trusted Bulacan Realtor. For today guys, I'm going to show you yung showroom dito sa Alta Tierra. Exclusive showroom Alta Tierra. Yan po yung ating artist perspective. So nakita nyo naman, it's a single attached. Ito yung firewall. At ano siya, 2-story, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Ganito yung kanyang showroom. So, okay ha, again, disclaimer, baka sabihin nyo, bakit nagmukhang bungalow? Kasi ang ginawa nila sa showroom lang naman siya eh. Hindi na siya itinaas sa showroom. Yung kanyang pinakita ko, ganoon talaga yung kanyang turnover. Yan. Si Alta Tierra. Yan. 2 stories si Alta Tierra, di ba? Ganyan. Pero itong showroom natin is, hiniwalay kasi siya. Ito yung si first floor, makikita nyo. At ito yung si second floor. So, unahin natin si first floor, guys. Okay? Come with me. So, nakita nyo naman, meron ka na agad napakaluwag na carport. Hanggang dito yan, guys, ha. So, yan. Showroom lang to, ha. Showroom lang. Ayan. At least may idea ka na sa turnover at kung gaano kaganda yung gawa ni developer, which is MetroStar. Okay? Let's go, guys. Pinto pa lang. Kitang-kita mo na yung quality, guys. Pinto pa lang, ha? Wow! Ang ganda ng pagkaka-interior design ng ating showroom for Alta Tierra. Alright. So guys, white yung paint. Nandito yung kanyang control panel. At ganito yung turnover ng 60 by 60 na tiles. This is your cabinets. Cabinets. Ito yung cabinets. Yan. Yung modular cabinets included sa turnover. Pati dito sa baba, meron siya. Napakaganda po nung quality niya, guys. Ayan, oh. Cabinet natin. Tapos yung ating kitchen top, countertop. Ayan siya, guys. Ang ganda. And even our sink. Kitchen sink. O, diba guys? Pwede nyo gayahin yung design na to. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng design ng living area. O, diba guys, no? Pwedeng-pwede pang minimalist. O, diba guys? Ayan. So, ito yung kanyang stairs. Yan, ha? Yung stairs niya. Complete finish, turnover. Gamit na lang po yung kulang. O, pwede nyo rin gayahin to guys as inspiration. Or kung gusto mo, gawin mo to sa ilalim ng hagdan, customize cabinets or storage. Tapos ito guys, so your 4-seater dining table. So perfect po ang Alta Tierra. Family of 4, maximum 4, di ba? So kung kayo po ay family of 4, this is a perfect house and lot for you. Alta Tierra, guys. Okay? So this is again the first floor na mayroong pwede ka pang mag-expand ng iyong kitchen, like dirty kitchen or something here. Ayan, no, sa likod. Kasama to sa turnover, guys. So, may maluwag kang dirty kitchen, laundry area. Diba? Pa-enclose mo na lang yan. So, pupunta tayo, guys, sa perspective nung second floor. So, ayan. Again, Alta Tierra, ganito po ang itsura. So, yan ang actual turnover ni Alta Tierra. Ganyan yung magiging perspective. Tapos, sa second floor, di ba, nakita nyo naman. Pakita ko explain ko lang sa inyo. Si Alta Tierra, guys, ay mayroon siyang kasamang polycarbonate roof. So, ano ba yung polycarbonate roof? Ayan po. Yan. That is a polycarbonate roof sa iyong malaking balcony or terrace. Kasama yan sa turnover, ha? So, let's go. Showroom perspective ng ating second floor. So, ayan sabi ko, magkakaroon kayo dyan ng polycarbonate roof kasama sa turnover. Ang luwag ng iyong balcony. So, second floor to guys ha. Imagine this is your second floor area. Napakadami mo pang pwedeng gawin sa second floor mo. Pag may mga bisita kayo, family gatherings, party and everything, diba? You can handle it in this area. Diba? Ang ganda guys. See? At ang ganda ng second floor tiles natin. Did you know na complete finish ang turnover? In fact, ultimo built-in cabinets kasama sa turnover. Dito lang yan guys sa Alta Eminenza by MetroStar. So ang ganda po ng quality ng ating closet. Kung dalawa yung anak mo, you can make it like a double deck. Kung isa lang, single bed. Tapos sa second floor, so, diba, imagine that's the stairs, second floor. So, itong mga wall cladding na yan, guys, syempre, sa showroom lang yan. Pwede mo naman gayahin. So, ang turnover niyan, white paint, okay? So, yan siya. Sa ceiling, ganyan na ganyan turnover. At ang ating toilet and bath, nag-iisa lamang po. Ang ganda rin ng ating toilet door. Elegant, di ba? Hindi yung mga typical ano lang. Tapos, yung ating toilet tiles. And, oh my gosh. Guys, the brand that we used for the toilet fixtures, it's Pozzy. Ayan. So, yan po yung ating fixtures at ang ganda ng shower, guys. Oh, napaka-elegant at sulit na sulit talaga dito, guys, sa Alta Eminenza, itong Alta Tierra. Ito yung kanilang most affordable at dahil pinakamabenta nila ang Alta Tierra, guys, actually, we only have 2 to 3 slots left. So, napakaluwag po ng inyong shower area, toilet and shower. Imagine 2 to 3 slots na lang po yung natitira for Alta Tierra. So for online reservation, actual site tripping dahil bawal mag-walk-in dito, you have to contact me as soon as possible. O diba guys? So wait lang. Even the mirror guys you know, all I can say guys, ang ganda ng pagkaka-interior design nila sa kanilang showroom dito kay Alta Tierra. So, di ba guys? So, dito bawal mag-walk-in. So, my name is Nicole. All you need to do for online or office reservation or tripping schedule at least 1 to 2 days before pag magpapaschedule sa akin. Kasi, totoo lang, napakadami ko rin pong schedule. So, ayan yung aking Viber WhatsApp. Yan. 0917-114-2422. Kontakin nyo lang ako, mention Alta Eminenza. O, diba guys? Yan. Mention mo lang yan and wait for my reply. Pag nag-reply ako sa'yo guys, pwede kitang tawagan, pwede mo rin akong tawagan. I'll send you the sample computation and if we're all good, we can do this. But anyway, ipa-flash ko rin sa screen at the end of this video yung sample computation para alam mo na kaagad, pasok ba yan sa budget ko? Kasi what's the point kung hindi naman pasok sa budget mo, diba? Kailangan pasok sa budget mo at okay ka sa monthly, 'di ba? At pasok yung ating income. So, dun tayo guys. At let's go to the master's bedroom. Exciting guys. O see? So, ito window to Imagine this as a window kasi showroom lang kaya nilagyan ng ganyan. Pero sa actual turnover, syempre concrete yan na may window. So, ang wall cladding na design, hindi yan kasama, pero pwede mo yung gayahin. Look at your master's bedroom, oh, guys. So, queen size, king size, pwedeng-pwede. Oh my gosh. Bahay ba to o hotel? Tell me. And, diba guys, wait lang. Look at your master's bedroom here, guys. So, dito guys, sa Alta Tierra, again, at sa Alta Eminenza, lahat ng units dito guys, may kasama na, free na yung built-in cabinets niya. Ang ganda guys. Ayan ang ganda ng color design. Tapos ganito yung tiles second floor tiles. Very elegant. At yung pinto, ganito po yung turnover ng mga door. Elegant, classic, yayamanin talaga guys. Kaya worth the price po siya. Aside from the fact na the location of Alta Eminenza is within 5 minutes drive to Star Mall and 6 minutes drive to SM San Jose del Monte. Very close din, malapit lang, mga 2 minutes sa Grace Hospital sa Skyline, 3 minutes. Future MRT 7, 10 minutes. Napakalapit niya po sa lahat. Quirino Highway, 1 minute. Yes guys, napakaganda ng location ng Alta Eminenza at 101%. It's a non-flooded area. So guys, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bagong videos ko at mga updates na ginagawa ko guys, okay? So, for now, magbibigay muna ako ng sample computation before anything else, okay? Ayan sa screen guys. Sample computation of Alta Tierra, last 2 to 3 slots. Kung gusto mong mauna, kontakin mo agad ako kaagad-agad. As in, now na. Ayan. Mention Alta Eminenza and sana isa ka sa makahabol sa ating last 2 to 3 slots for Alta Tierra model. So guys, what are you waiting for? 'Di ba? Dito lang yan sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Alta Eminenza. Thank you everyone. And I hope to see you all soon. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Bye. See ya. Cute.